This video is going to give you some instructions on how to use Digication ePortfolios for your History 151 class. So to access Digication, you can go to your BSU email and then using the Google Apps icon here, click on it, scroll and you will find the big orange button called Digication. Click on it. After you reach this page, go ahead and click on the Courses tab, and then under My Communities, you will see a community called History 151 Fall 2017 Combined Community. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, here go ahead and click on ePortfolios and then click on Create ePortfolios from Template. You may choose not to look at this tutorial right now. Okay, so when you're in this form area, go ahead and title your ePortfolio with your actual name. So I'm going to use my name here. Make sure that you do use your own name here because that will enable your instructor to see you in the list of ePortfolios in her account and therefore will allow you to get your grades. Under choose a theme, please let it be just use the selected themes template. Under permissions, click on private within Boise State University. Under tagging, for now, you can keep it as do not allow tags. And then under comments, allow comments from registered users. Under the show comments area, go ahead and click on show comments immediately. This will be very useful in your course because you will be peer reviewing each other's work. And so it is very important that you allow comments from registered users and that the show comments immediate button is enabled so that you can see each other's comments as in when they appear. Under conversations, please click on yes, enable conversations. This is important because you will be providing peer review comments to each other's profile. And so this is very important that you should enable conversations. Then click on Create New ePortfolio. Okay, so as you can see, I have the fresh ePortfolio created here. What you're going to do for your History 151 class is you're going to go ahead and create a tab for this class within this template. So go ahead and click on Add Edit and then click on Add Section and then create a section for this class. So this instruction is for students who do not already have an ePortfolio. After this instruction, I'm going to show you what you're going to do if you already have a portfolio and you want to enable your class 151 to see that existing portfolio. Okay, so now we are back to instructing students who do not have a portfolio and are creating one fresh for this class. So what we did is we just created a tab for the History 151 class. We're going to go ahead, click on that tab, and then you will see the page opened up for that. So the way your instructor wants you to use this Digication ePortfolio is to store all your assignments that you're going to be doing for this class. So to add assignments, the places where you can store them, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add Edit and then click on Add Page. And then as a sample, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on Assignment 1 and then just name it assignment 1, and you can name it anything else that you want, according to the name of your assignment right here. And then you're going to save it, and then notice the change. You have a placeholder for your assignment number 1. So you can click on assignment number 1, and then you can input your assignment. So say your assignment is primarily a Word document. So you can click on Rich Text, and then click on Add Module, and then copy and paste your assignment, which you have already saved in your computer somewhere, and copy and paste that assignment over here. I'm going to just put in some gibberish text here just for you to see, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it, and then, very important, you should publish this page and then publish all changes. Okay, and then when I go back to I can reload the screen, you will be able to see the spot where I have added the assignment content. If you similarly, if you wanted to say add a picture here, very simple. You are going to go back there, and then here you will see a area called Insert Media. You're going to go click on Insert Media, and then pull up the picture from your computer. So from my computer, so you're going to align the picture wherever you want it placed, and then you're just going to click the Insert button. Okay, I'm just going to get out of here. Okay, so this was how you could add assignments to your fresh ePortfolio. So some of you already have an ePortfolio, and you just want to make that ePortfolio visible to your class 151 history. How are you going to do that? So that is what I'm going to show you now. So for that, I'm going to go to one of my ePortfolios, which I have stored as a sample. So I'm going to click here, and then this is one of my ePortfolios. I'm just going to go there, and then I'm going to show you how I can share an already existing ePortfolio with your history class 151. So what I did over here is in my existing portfolio, I added a tab for this class. And this, as you might recall, is pretty easy to do. So you can just go ahead and click Add and Edit, and then Add Section, and then you can call it History 151. And then I'm going to go ahead and save it. So you can see right now I have 2 tabs for history because I already had one before, and you can easily delete it. So I can add and edit, and then I can click on this pencil icon, and then I can delete this section, so that I just now have one section for history 151. So if I reload the screen, you can see that section. So now what you have to do is you have created the section for this class in your existing portfolio. Now what you need to do is share this existing portfolio with your instructor and your class, History 151. So to do that, go ahead and click on Portfolio Tools, go to Settings, and then under Custom Permissions, go ahead and search for this class, History 151 combined. So it's basically what you're going to search for is going to be History 151 Fall 2017 Combined Community Course. Okay, so you're going to search for that. So it's going to be so since I already have added myself to the course, you can see it there, but you're going to search for History 151 Fall 2017 Combined Community. When you're going to search that, you're going to find that in this list, and then you're just going to add that, and then that class, and then you're going to just save it. That way, your instructor as well as the students of this community, History 151, will be able to find you. So this was how you can create a e-portfolio for your class History 151. And I also showed you how to add an existing e-portfolio that you might have from another class to this class History 151. Create a tab for that course, that is 151, and then share it with your instructor and the other students.